Your son is charged with driving while intoxicated. He's facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. It's a very serious charge. He's only 17, and I wanted to know more about him. So I sent him for a drug test. He tested positive for marijuana. I told him that I was going to test him again in 30 days. If he tested positive again for marijuana in 30 days, that tells me that he's continued to use, and I'm going to put him in jail. He does not have a license, so at this moment in time, I'm going to order him not to drive. If this is your car, I would be very careful, because if he goes out there and has an accident, God forbid, does damage or hurts someone else, that will be on you. They will come after you. All the hard work that you've done in life could be down the tubes. If you were to really hurt someone, they're not going to come after him. They're going to go after the deep pockets, and that is you. If there's anything else that you want me to do, I'm willing to help you in any way. I gave him a lawyer today, and I will have the lawyer reach out to you. If there's anything that you need, all you have to do is ask me. If he starts acting up at your house and not following your orders, just come back and tell me.
Can we take a moment to appreciate this dynamic? The judge has basically become this family's personal project manager. He's offering a lifeline, but it's a double-edged sword. Do you think this kind of tough love approach actually works, or does it cross the line into overstepping? Let me know what you think in the comments.
You better be good for your mom. She works hard as it is. You start acting a fool in the free world, I will take the free world away from you in a heartbeat. Do you understand? You are not allowed to drive. I don't care what your excuse is. I don't care what you're doing. No driving. Do you have insurance in your name? Does he have insurance, Mom?
I do.
¿Él tiene aseguranza, sí o no?
Yes.
Is there anything that you would like from me as far as your son? Has he been going to school, or is he skipping school?
No, sí, está yendo a la escuela.
He's going to school.
No, se ha portado bien, nada más que pues, últimamente no sé qué le ha pasado.
He has been behaving well. I'm not sure what's happened lately.
Dime con quién andas, yo te digo quién eres. I don't know who he's hanging out with. Perhaps that's what it is. Perhaps it's just him himself. The only thing at this point, no more weed. Do you understand? You hold the keys to the jail cell. No alcohol. I'm going to test you for alcohol as well. You drink alcohol, likewise you will go to jail. They're going to call you to test. You have to go up there and test.
That's right.
Do you have any questions?
Él le toca la otra corte. ¿Tengo que venir yo o tiene que venir? Él tiene que venir, ¿verdad?
For the next court date, do I have to come, or he also has to come in?
I will waive his appearance so he doesn't have to come, as long as he remains in contact with the lawyer that I've given him. If the lawyer tells me that he's not responding to phone calls or text messages, I will issue a warrant. My only concern is that the streets are safe and that he's not using alcohol and drugs. If he cannot stop, there's only one place that he goes to.
Okay. Pero él ahorita hizo el examen de drogas, le salió drogas.
He did the drug test and it came out with drugs.
I sent him to go take a drug test, and he tested positive for marijuana.
Shocker said, absolutely no one. But here's the smart part. The judge already knew it was a lie. He didn't order the test for discovery. He ordered it for proof. It's that classic teenage fallacy. They can't prove it. Well, now they can. The trust is officially gone, and the hammer's about to drop.
17-year-olds, everything that comes out of their mouth is a lie. You cannot trust it. That's why I had him drug tested. It's unfortunate, and at some point they will grow up. But while they are teenagers, it's whose guess as to what happens.
So that,
I'm
okay.
shuddering the day my kids become teenagers. So, if you have any issues, Mom, come back to me and I will help you however you need. Okay?
Muchas gracias.
Thank you
Sí,
very much.
All right. So, you will now get a reset. Stay in contact with John. That's the lawyer up there. You must stay in contact with him. He's going to call you in about an hour now, and you need to speak to him. You understand? No more dope. Thank you. Your son is charged with reckless driving. He's facing up to 30 days in jail and or a $500 fine. I went and sent him for a drug test. You want to take any guesses of how it came out?
Yeah, it was positive. I heard.
Test positive again in 30 days. Guess where you're going to end up? Right. I've already had to put multiple people in jail for the same thing. I don't care if I hurt your feelings. I don't care if you're mad at me. It stops today. You will be tested 31 days from today. And if you test positive, it tells me that you've continued to smoke and you will dry up in jail. You understand? The other thing, ma'am, is whose car is he driving, yours or his?
His own.
Okay, I would be very careful because, like I've already told him, that this legislature has made it extremely easy for district attorneys across the state to seize cars from people who engage in this type of activity multiple times. You are on notice now. And I'm telling you, I've had people come here where their cars have been seized. A very nice $60,000 truck seized because they race and do donuts. All right. Tell me, how old are you? Okay. What do you do for a living?
Plumbing.
That's right. Do you have an income?
Yes.
How much do you make?
A month, I would say around like 2,500.
You need a lawyer to represent you, and we're going to reset your case to give you time to do that. So we're going to reset you 31 days. You must be back here, and I'm telling you, you will be drug tested. You understand? Okay. Mom, if he starts acting up with you, all you have to do is come back and tell me, and I will straighten him out for you.
My son is a very good kid. I have nothing, so he's
Just you let me know if you have any problems, and we can help you out. Okay?
okay.
All right. Just go ahead and take a seat.
Just for this one, was it
Check.
pre-trial?
Oh, yeah, pre-trial, because he's going to be tested in 30 days.
Randoms? Yes.